Hello smart money traders, you're welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Solomon King and you're super welcome to this YouTube channel. So last week I've actually seen this simple scalping strategy from another ICT trader. So I've decided to try it on my chart and I've actually back tested it. I've seen a decent win rate with this simple strategy and I want to teach you how to use this simple strategy. Now there are some few things you need to know about this strategy, and that is this strategy can only be traded during the London session. That is why I mentioned London session, and I've actually simplified every single thing about this simple strategy for you so you can get the best out of it. So you're going to basically focus on 7 a.m. the UK time and 10 a.m. UK time. That is basically 7 a.m. Frankfurt open and then 10 a.m. into London session. So how do you use this simple scalping strategy is what I want to show you right here. Now this strategy does not need any daily bias, and you can use this simple strategy just to target your pro firm evaluation requirements. Okay, so use this simple strategy and try trading pro firm evaluation requirements, and then you're going to get pro firm evaluation passed without any stress. So we are going to pay attention to the Asian session, and then you want to pay attention to the order flow of the Asian session, whether the Asian session is bullish or is bearish. That is important because what we're going to be doing is a bit counter trading, is a bit aggressive, but the win rate is massive. So if we have our Asian session like this, let's say the Asian session is basically bullish, something like this. The overall Asian session is bullish. Into our 7 a.m. London time, that is the UK time basically, we're going to pay attention to the liquidity grab above here. That is if our Asian session is bullish overall. Now we will patiently wait for the last area of liquidity somewhere around here. If we see a grab of liquidity above here, now we can literally see that this liquidity has been cleared. Okay, right here, this is a liquidity being cleared around that area. So what we're going to do is that we want to pay attention to the candlesticks formation right here. Then we are going to go bearish during this time frame, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. we're going to go bearish. So we're going to focus on 5 minutes for checking our order flow and liquidity grab, and then 1 minute time frame for our entry. That is why I call it a scalping strategy. So once you see that, you're going to go bearish from here, if that is what you've seen. Okay, basically. So, and you're going to target maybe 1:2 or 1:3. That is how to use this simple strategy. So let's get to our chart, and then I'm going to show you once I come over here. So let me show you the simple way to go about this. Now come to where you see indicators, click on it and search for this indicator called Sessions by Lux Algo. This one, click on it and then it will appear on your chart. Basically this is the previous settings I've done, but let me go to the default. You're supposed to see this indicator as this is how it's supposed to be. Now you're going to change the settings and get the exact time for you. Take out all this, leave only London, Tokyo, take it out, and then take out this Sydney, take out everything. Okay, take out everything. You want to leave this very empty. Now 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. is what you're going to alter right here. 7 a.m. that is Frankfurt open, and 10 a.m. into London session. So basically this is what we are talking about. Let me show you that. If I take out, is there anything I've not taken out? This one, I want to take it out. So this is what you're going to pay attention to. So look at this from your 5 minute time frame. This is where the start of this Asian session starts. Now you want to measure whether this is bullish or bearish. You can use this price range tool and measure that from here, the open, to this place, before this our delineation. This one, that's basically 31 pips compared to this one. Okay, so the Asian session is basically bullish, so we are looking at it as a bullish order flow from what we have seen right there. So let me show you how to go about the entry. Now once we've seen that, we want to be bearish during this time frame. Okay, this is our 7 a.m. and this is our 10 a.m. So we look at it from that perspective. Looking at this guy, take out this place and then have just this place, our 7 a.m. and then our 10 a.m. is what we're going to use for our entry. So where is the lowest area of liquidity? This place. Lowest area and the highest is here. Okay, so we're going to wait and see a sudden grab of liquidity. Yes, can you see? Liquidity has actually been grabbed right here, above here. So what do? You now go down to the 1 minute time frame and look for a candlestick formation that gives you that confidence. Okay, now what you're going to wait for, some people will tell you to wait for price to clear this area first. That is basically to do change of character or market structure shift, but we're not going to pay attention to that. Okay, so what we're going to pay attention to is basically this kind of candlestick formation. We want to see a bearish engulfing candlestick, and what that means is that this kind of candlestick that we've seen, we want to see that it has cleared its body. Okay, this is exactly how he taught it, and I've tried it. I've seen how important this strategy is. Can you see this particular candlestick has actually entered into this body, completely engulfed it? Remember, look at this. This is not where the liquidity grab happened. Right here is where the liquidity grab happened, and this candle, this 1 2, did not give you what you're looking for. Let me show you. This one did not engulf this one did not engulf this, but this particular green candle has been engulfed by the body of this, even though the tail is still here. So now this is exactly where your entry is for the bearish movement. Okay, and your stop loss is just right above here. And what did we say you're going to target? 1:2, or maybe basically right below here is where liquidity is also residing. Okay, that's where you're going to target. It's simple, aggressive, and then it gives you more result than you can think. So you're going to watch it like this. Okay, so this is basically how to go about this simple strategy, as easy as that. Let me show you that in another pair so you can see how to use this particular strategy. And then this is USD card, guys. Let me take out everything. That was GBP USD that I just finished showing you that example. USD card, let's go about this one and see. So the most recent place is this. Okay, look at this. What is our overall order flow during the Asian session? From here, this one to here, you can actually see that it's more of a bearish market as opposed to, look at it, just small movement. So it's a bearish market. So this is how we're going to get our order flow. Let me just delete that so you can see. So we take this area and pay attention to it. Mark the areas of liquidity. The high of this was here. The low of this was here. It's as simple as that, guys. If we are bearish in the Asian session, we're going to be bullish during that our time frame. Okay, so we wait for it and see how it goes. Just that grab of liquidity, and exactly what we are looking for. Okay, exactly what we are looking for. Liquidity has been grabbed right here during this time that we've delineated. Now from here, what we do is that we go down to 1 minute time frame and wait for a bullish engulfing candlestick. Bullish engulfing candlestick is what we're going to wait for. So did we have it right here? No, we did not have it. Let me show you that properly so we see it come and go. Yes, this is it, guys. This is it. Can you see? This has actually engulfed this body. This strategy is simple, aggressive, and is powerful. Okay, so you go like that, this place, and then your entry for the bullish movement is right here. Then your stop loss is just below here. Below here, guys. Your take profit is obviously at this point, maybe 1:2, 1:3, depending on, okay, let's say area of liquidity just right here, and let's give it a try and see how it goes. Yes, we have it like that. So you're going to try this time and again and see how it goes. Let me see if I can see another example. It does not happen every day, but in a week you're going to have this entry more than twice or thrice. Okay, and it's good when you have that kind of entry. Let's see if I have, okay, let me go back to the 5 minute, or let me go to Euro USD and see if we can see an entry. The last one we're going to be taking is here. So let's see if we can see something really amazing. Okay, I'm seeing this, but I'm not convinced. Let's see if we can see from here to here. We are more of a bearish order flow than a bullish order flow. Okay, so let's look at it from this perspective. Coming right here, we take out this data right here. We just want to take out the data here. The lowest area and the highest area. This is the highest area. The lowest is here. And then we watch it as price comes. Okay, we actually have this graph of liquidity. Now we go down to the 1 minute time frame and see how it goes, and wait for that particular formation, bullish engulfing pattern, and see. Yes, can you see? This is an example of a failed trade with this. Look at this. A failed trade right here. I don't want to tell you that this is perfect, everything is perfect. You're going to have these things happen. Your stop loss is just right here, and then your take profit is here. But look at what happened. You were actually stopped out. So you're going to have this. Okay, don't worry, it's part of trading. Okay, don't worry, it's part of trading. Let's see if we can see another example that I can show you for the last time before we go for another video. I'm going to teach you a lot of strategies, guys, that you can use for trading. Okay, let's see this. I can see this area. Okay, still the 5 minute time frame. We're going to look at it from this perspective. We are more of a bearish order flow during Asia. Can you see? We're more of a bearish order flow during Asia, this area till this level. So we delete this and then look out for this place. All right, guys, our highest level was here. Okay, let's start from this lowest level, and then our highest level was basically here. Okay, so we watch it happen and see how it's gonna be, and see that. Let's see it. Okay, this is it. We have grabbed liquidity here, just below here, broken that, going down to 1 minute time frame, and wait for that bullish engulfing candlestick and see. We did not have it up to now. We have just seen it right here. Can you see? Guys, there is no manipulation in this. I'm showing you everything the way I have tried it personally. And this particular trade, I actually took it. That's why you can see it right there. We're going to go bullish from here. It's a very simple strategy, guys. Don't worry about that failed trade. It's all part of trading. Okay, you're going to target, let's say, the most recent area of liquidity, and your stop loss is just right below here. And let's see how it goes from here. I hope we have almost stopped out. Okay, we're not stopped out. Yes, it goes. Let's adjust this and see how it's going to be. It's going as planned. Did we have that? Yes, so we have this trade again for ourselves. So guys, go ahead and try this strategy. And then for those of you that have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and then support this particular channel. You're going to get a lot of video, and you're going to get a lot of tutorials helping you to trade like a professional, basically ICT concept. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. See you in another video.